The leader of the Igbo nation, Chief Edwin Clark, stated that former President Muhammad Buhari did everything to subjugate Igbos during his administration. But guys, before we commence fully, welcome back to this wonderful channel, Reality Letages, your home of news and politics. Thank you so much for joining us on today's news. If today is your first time to join this wonderful channel, kindly subscribe, like, comment, share, and also the notification bell to get notified whenever we drop our video, so that now you can be the first to watch and my people not be small matter the apple for this country. But before I go here another tutorial, I go welcome all my amazing subscribers and viewers. Thank you so much for joining us on today's news. So guys, make a yarn on that tutorial. The leader of the Igbo nation, Chief Edwin Clark, don't constate that Muhammad Buhari did everything to subjugate Igbos from the southeastern part of Nigeria. Clark further claimed that Muhammad Buhari excluded the southeast from some of his appointments during his time in office. My people, Mr. Clark Edwin stated this in a letter to President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, where he pointed out that Buhari did not appoint anyone from the southeast in the board of the Nigerian National Petroleum Corporation, even though the region had 3 oil-producing states, including Abia, Anambra, and Imo states. Said that Buhari allocated less than 1% of 22.7 billion loan to southeast zone, while others receive higher percentage, adding that the former president Muhammad Buhari also failed to appoint service chief from the region. So in his letter, which partly read, President Bola Ahmed Tinubu did everything to subjugate the Igbos for a reason best known to him. Perhaps it may be necessary to cite some examples. The NNPC board, which he constituted when he came into office, he had 9 members, 1 from the southwest, 1 from the south, and 1 member from the southeast. Even though 3 southeast states, Abia, Anambra, Imo states, are oil-producing states, the remaining members, including his chief of state, came from the north, a non-oil producing region. So President Bola Ahmed Tinubu later tried to amend it when he appointed Senator Ifeanyi Ararume as chairman of the second board, and he later replaced him with Margaret Chuba Okadigbo. Before he took office, Senator Ifeanyi Ararume took the matter to court and won, but the situation has not changed. In President Buhari's 17-man security chief, 14 of them came from the north and only 3 from the south, excluding the Igbos from the southeast. So my people, Clark Edwin is saying that the discrimination and injustice against the Igbos had not abated under President Bola Ahmed Tinubu administration. So he noted that while President Bola Ahmed Tinubu appointed 10 ministers from the southwestern region, only 6 had been appointed from the south. So Clark Edwin said that there was no justification for the omission. By people. Now so many persons talk say Igbos goes around with natural hatred for other people. So they were now asking that who staged the coup in Nigeria, that who kicked the Saduna, that is it not the Major Ezeugu who's Saduna adopted, schooled and enrolled into army that killed him? So who brought civil war, who brought Mazop, and who brought IPOB? They are all Igbos. So with all these things, there is no way Muhammad Buhari could appoint the Igbos. By people that believe this one. Why so many persons they talk say the reason why they're not justifying Muhammad Buhari simply marginalization of the southeast, that the southeast didn't hide their dislike for Buhari, that before Buhari resorted to southwest who had demolished him, so he cutted the southeast first. He picked late Senator Dr. Chuba from Anambra as a running mate in 2003. So Igbos rejected him. He picked up Senator Edwin Umezoke as a running mate in 2007. That Igbos rejected him. So the moment he resorted to Southwest, they jumped at him, forgetting everything they had said bad about Buhari. So Southeast should learn how to play politics. That Southeast has more future with the North than other southern part of the country. My people. My brother made a study Igbos because they know Muhammad Buhari very well. That is why they didn't pitch him. Even if an Igbo man comes out for election and they all know that he's bad, they won't vote for him. They will always stand for the truth, not tribe. So my people, when someone become president, you are president to all, not because a part votes or a part didn't vote for you, or some liked you and some didn't like you. That should not really count. The man really tried to make sure Igbos did not see any appointment. So where is it today? The same Igbo people are living better lives compared to people in Daura. So now President Bola Ahmed Tinubu don't come pick up from where Buhari stopped. as he has promised. So my people, it's not a news anymore. There's a word that said, whoever pins another to the ground has successfully pinned himself as well. Buhari was the one who brought insecurity in Igbo land. US government released a statement concerning that. So how Buhari's government sponsored unknown gunmen in Southeast? People who the war couldn't break, what else will break them? The earlier we come together as one to save this country, the better for all of us. If they continue to trade on this path, soon there will not be anything like Nigerians again. If the war couldn't break the Igbos, then nothing under the planet Earth can break them. Northerners have been ruling Nigeria from beginning, but all they have to show for it is 20 million out of school, hunger, death, pain and insecurity. So now so many persons don't come they attack Muhammad Buhari that he failed Nigerians. That in fact he was the worst president in the history of the country. That Obasanjo and Goodluck had the best regime because they included the necessary competent individuals in their government, not minding their tribe and religion. Last, if care is not taken, tribal and religional sentiment will destabilize Nigeria in the nearest future. Come to think of it, an average Igbo man doesn't depend on the government. So, I pity those where they depend on government. Oh, they go fail una woefully. Even Mazinam Degalo talk am. Say Muhammad Buhari na wicked person. Say if Nigeria is working on equity, that he will not agitate for Biafra. So as long as there is no equity, either Biafra go or they regulate the ruling system of Nigeria. So tell me where he was wrong. He was first to tag him a terrorist, while those kidnapping and using bomb to kill people in thousands were never tagged terrorists. Igbo's unity was the biggest fear of others. Despite all this subjugation, hatred and all plots, this one tribe keeps thriving. Imagine how much this tribe could do if not for this oppression. Igbos have been subjugated by Nigeria government right from time, but that doesn't stop them from attesting to height they are today. They are self-made state and they will keep going. They want to go and be on their own, yet the Nigeria government doesn't want them to go. Then give them a level ground. Yet no. If I may ask, what has Buhari's administration got to do with Tinubu's administration? Not justifying, but if Igbo man or Hausa man or Yoruba man get all their appointments, they go reduce price of things for market. One day we talk about the poor economic state of the country. Another day we'll talk about religion. Then another ethnicity. Muhammad Buhari was the person that founded Ibubago with the help of Ebonyi State and Imo State government. They killed thousands of Igbos during his 8 years in office. So when they think that they are dealing with Igbos, they never knew they have destroyed Nigerians. President Muhammad Buhari and President Bola Ahmed Tinubu has no excuse not to stabilize Nigeria by constituting a government of national unity. Now President Bola Ahmed Tinubu is behaving like Buhari, but he's not Buhari. Nigerians tolerated Buhari and they will do the same to him. It was obvious Buhari was the most tribalistic democratic president a country like Nigeria ever produced, and he didn't hide it. His decision and words aggravated the disunity we see today. In fact, APC is the worst thing to happen to the unity we have been trying to manage in this country. So guys, I would like to know your thoughts, your contributions, opinions are in the comment section. Let's keep the conversation live in our comment section. Once again, thank you so much for staying to us. We really do appreciate. On this note, we have come to the end of today's segment. Like, come your winners. Stay safe, guys.